On May 22, 2011, one of the deadliest tornado in American history tore through Joplin, Missouri. 161 people died and 7,000 buildings destroyed. But that is not the story I am here to telling you today. After the tornado, dozens of children who did not know each other, children from different parts of the city, start telling the exact same story, and nobody can explain to this day. It was a Sunday. People were at church, kids were at graduation ceremonies, family were having dinner. Nobody knew what was coming at 5:41 p.m. The sky turned green, then black. Then the sound started, not like thunder, not like rain. Survivors describe it as 200 mph winds blasting directly into your ears, like driving 200 miles an hour with your head out of the window in minutes. Entire neighborhoods were gone, a hospital was destroyed, a school collapsed, cars were thrown like toys. When it was over, 161 people were dead, 1,000 injured, and 7,000 homes and buildings simply did not exist anymore. But here is where the story becomes something else entirely. In the days after the tornado, parents start noticing something strange. Their children were talking what the children saw. At first, one family came forward. Their child had survived the tornado hiding in a bathtub, and the child kept talking about the butterflies, the glowing people with wings who stood over them while the storm raged. The parents thought it was shock trauma, a child's imagination. Then another family came forward, same story. Then another and another, dozens of children from completely different parts of Joplin, who had never met, who had no way of talking to each other in those first chaotic days, were all describing the exact same thing. Glowing figures, wings standing between them and the storm protecting them. Some children drew pictures, and when parents compared those drawings, they matched. Same glowing figures, same wings, same protective stance. They call them the butterfly people. Now, I want you to understand before I continue. The journalist who investigated this was not religious. She did not believe in angels. She went this story as a complete skeptic. And after interviewing dozens of survivors, she told she could not explain it because too many children with no connection to each other told the identical story. Even adults reported seeing them. A nurse working with the injured that night said she saw a tall glowing figure standing over a mother and child in the rubble. She said she knew immediately. It was not human. The city of Joplin took these stories so seriously. They built them into the office memorial forever. The Children's Memorial in Joplin has a mosaic at its center, depicting the butterfly people, the winged figures the children describe. A documentary was made, interviews were conducted, and still no explanation has ever been found. 161 people died that day, but hundreds of survivors walked out of that tornado. Thought winds of 200 miles per hour, through flying debris that killed everything around them. And many of them, especially the children, say did not walk out alone. I don't know what the butterfly people were. Maybe angles, maybe fear creating something in the mind, maybe something else. But dozens of children all said the same story, no connection to each other. And the tone of Joplin believed them enough to put in their memorial forever. Maybe we'll never know the truth, but sometimes in the darkest moments, something happens that we can't explain. So, here is the video. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.